If you're somebody who's building a product and you're getting ready to launch, then this is the video for you, because in this video we are going to review a Notion template that helps you build your landing page within minutes. No lies, it claims it's going to take out all the guesswork and help you build that landing page within minutes. And so I am excited to get into the details and share this template with you. If this is your first time into the channel, then welcome to the family. I am your host, Paul, and on this channel we review all the templates that are available for you in Notion Plaza and kind of give you a quick overview of what they're able to do. If you are a member of this community, we would love to meet you. Make sure you send us your information, drop something in the comment section so we know you're out there. We'll love to continue some dialogue. So let's go get into the details. So today's template is the landing page template for your product launch, and is brought to you by NotionChefs. So NotionChefs created this template, made it available for us on Notion Plaza. So a special shout out to them for doing that. And make sure you go over there. You can find them on Twitter at NotionChefs. Give them a shout out. Let them know that Notion Plaza sent you over to them. So let's go ahead and get into the details. So just like anything else, if you're going to look for a template on Notion Plaza, you're going to have to go into our website. That's NotionPlaza.com. And from there, it'll give you a link to give you a page where you can take a look at all the different templates that we offer. The one that we're going to look at today is called the landing page template from NotionChefs. Click on that and let's go see what it claims to do and whether this product holds up to what they claim it's going to do. So what it says, it's going to design a stunning landing page for your product launch within minutes. Now I know, as somebody who's been a creator for a long period of time, that if you're going to do a landing page, there are a couple of key things that that landing page is going to need to make it effective. And for those of you that don't know what a landing page is, it's basically a one-page website that gives you a quick overview of the product that you're launching. It usually features some details about it, the pricing, and gives them a link to click on to actually purchase the product. So what they claim this is going to do, it's going to give you the hero section, a feature section, a target audience section, testimonials, pricing, FAQs, and call to action. So if it delivers on what it says, this is going to be perfect, because that is all you need for a landing page. Those are the key elements of any landing page, and if it delivers on that, then we're looking real good here. And then it does tell you that it's designed for online creators, startups, agencies, digital marketplaces. So obviously if you have any digital product that you're looking to launch, this will help you. It'll also help you with physical products as well, I'm sure. And then it's going to tell you kind of how to use a template. Most of us that are on here are already on Notion, so we're familiar with how that works. You click on the link, you purchase the product. It's going to then allow you to duplicate that into your Notion. So let's go ahead and take a look. So you download the template as always, and right away see that they're thinking kind of forward. They're allowing us to not just purchase the template for the product launch, but it also has here a newsletter landing page template, which is, I find that pretty interesting. I have my own newsletter. I might have to take a look at that and see what it looks like and see whether it's going to work for me. So once you go ahead and you download that, you get it into your Notion, then it's going to take you to your Notion, and this is what it looks like when you open it up in your Notion. Now I'm looking at it, and right away I could tell that this is a landing page. This is exactly what you expect from a landing page. So I'm happy with what I am seeing here. It says the landing page template for your product launch. And for this particular situation, they are using this Twitter Growth Secrets playbook. So if you're somebody who's building a landing page for your product, obviously you're going to feature your product in here instead of that. But I can see right away where this is real easy. You can click on here and you can change the pictures. So you're going to put in pictures of your own unique product, right? You change the name to whatever your product is and give your selling points. So right away it's delivering. It's giving you a link to purchase the playbook, and it also gives you a button here to click on to learn more. So this is the testimonial section. I think this is well done. It gives you a picture. It's in a nice place where it takes up the entire screen, and it has the testimonial from the person, who they are. That's all you need in your testimonials. And I understand it's a new product. You may not have any testimonials. If that's the case, then it should be able to go ahead and just delete this as you would with any other Notion page. And yeah, you can go in there and you can delete that. But I like where it's placed. So if you do have testimonials, I like the way this looks. And then it goes into the target audience. I like this. It tells me if I'm an online creator, digital marketer, and it kind of highlights some key as to why this is important for me and my target audience. It also highlights some different things on why you're going to love the product. It gives you opportunity to place your own pictures in there, and give them links to your own resources. I think that's fantastic. I like the way that this is displayed here, as good as getting me to write your tweet. So this is a kind of a unique selling point or selling proposition. I like how this looks here. It gives me the ability to type in whatever I want. Another testimonial looks nice on this page here. It delivers on the product pricing. It tells me it's $29. It's on sale. And again, another link where you can go ahead and purchase it. Here's the frequently asked questions section. I love it. They give you kind of a framework. Now, obviously, there's going to be different questions depending on what your product is, but I like the way this is formatted because it doesn't take up too much of the page. You can just highlight whatever those questions are, and if you do a drop down, then this is where you're going to put your answers in for those questions, and you can make that as long or as short as you want. So yeah, well thought out here. I love the frequently asked questions section. And again, another link to buy the product. I love how it keeps giving you links to buy the product. Here's your call to action. The call to action is all over the place. So well done, Notion Chefs. I like the way that is. And then this is going to give you the instructions to set up. So the only problem I had with the template, I want to point that out to you here because I'm going to save you a bunch of time. When I first took a look at this template here, I didn't understand how I was going to replace these buttons, because these buttons may not be unique to my product. I may want it to look different. I may want it to say something else. And then where am I putting in the information as to where the links are going to go? If you go in here and click on the template, it's not obviously clear where that's going to go, right? And so what I found out is that all of the instructions are here in the instruction setup page. And when I opened it up, I was amazed because they made this real simple. I mean, a 2-year-old could follow along. It tells you how to add buttons. All right, there I am. I was looking to find out how to add buttons. Here's your answer. How to add buttons. You visit indify.co. You click on to create a button widget from the widget list. You add the button's name. You add the URL. You can customize the colors. It tells you to copy the embed link in the below right corner of the sidebar, and then you paste it into your Notion page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 easy steps to do it. If you're curious as to what happens when you click on that link, this is going to be the website it takes you to. This is just different widgets, and it tells you how you can customize these widgets. What I really like about it is not only is it simple and easy to follow, but it's totally free, guys. You don't have to add any additional money to it. I also like the fact that it also gives you this great resource on how to connect it to a custom domain. So if you have any familiarity with Notion, you know that once you build that page, it is going to give you a URL that you can connect to and send anything to that URL for the landing page. However, some of us like to keep shorter names or unique domains that we already reserve for that. And so if you have a domain, you can link it directly to that landing page template that they built for you. They're giving you the instructions on how to use Fruition, which is a great service. Again, they're giving it to you because it's free and easy to follow. There are other websites out there that allow you to do the same thing. So overall, when we go back to look at the template, what did they promise it was going to give us? And we got to weigh it out. Does it deliver on its promise? So right away, if you look, what is included in the template? Does it include the hero section? Yes. Does it include features? Yes. Does it include the target audience? Yes. Testimonials, pricing, FAQs, call to action. This delivers 100% of what it promised. Can I really build my landing page in minutes? Yes. As long as you have all of your selling points marked out and your testimonials already written out, all you have to do is copy and paste it into the template and you're ready to go. So yes, absolutely, this is a great template for those that are building products. So if you have that product and you're looking to launch, I strongly encourage you to go ahead to NotionPlaza.com, download this template for yourself. It's going to save you hours of work to build your landing page. So great job from the Notion Chefs. Make sure you find them on Twitter at Notion Chefs. Give them a shout out. Let them know that Notion Plaza referred you over to them. I want to give them a special kudos for allowing us to feature their product on Notion Plaza. Okay, so that's going to be a wrap for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that template. I really do think it's going to help save you time with your landing pages. If you think so too, help us out by hitting that like button. That like button tells YouTube that this is valuable, and it'll allow us to feed it out to other creators and help them save time building out their landing pages. So that would be much appreciated. And if you're a member of the Notion community and and you enjoy watching these reviews of these and finding different templates, then make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified when we release new reviews coming out in the future. And if you want us to feature your templates in our videos, reach out to us, drop something in the comments section, let us know to reach out to you. We'll be happy to discuss the process with you to get you to feature your templates on Notion Plaza. So as always, I am your boy Paul. I really enjoyed sharing this template with you. I hope that you found some time and value in this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.